Is Dev 43 available? Coordinator, please.
Yes, sir. She is available, sir.
Dev 43,
I am
please
Ashwini.
introduce yourself.
I am Asni, studied at Government Arts College, Paramkudi. I am also biochemistry, Tamil Nadu district, sir.
Okay,
Are you here,
so
sir?
yeah, I can hear you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So now we'll start the argument round, and I am sure that you will be aware of the rules. I will be allowed to speak for 4 minutes in the argument round, and in the rebuttal round, you will be allowed to speak for 3 minutes. And you must be aware of the topic, that is it justified to conduct free tests for COVID-19 in India? So now we'll start the argument round. Dev 10 will be speaking in favor of the motion, and Dev 43 will be speaking against the motion. So start your argument round, Dev 10, in favor of the motion, please.
Hello.
Yes, go on.
Hello, sir. Shall I start? Okay.
Yes.
COVID-19 is the name given by the World Health Organization from the debate, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Go on.
So,
can you hear me?
On February 11, 2020, for the diseases caused by novel coronavirus, the COVID-19 term spread through worldwide. COVID-19 is also stands for coronavirus disease of 2019. The petition has questioned the March 17 advisory of Indian Council of Medicine Research, which kept for rupees 4,500 rupees for testing COVID-19 in private hospitals or labs, including the screening and confirmation test. It is extremely difficult for the common man, citizen, to get him or herself tested in the government hospitals or lab, and being so alternative in the site, the people concentrated the capped amount to the private hospitals or labs for protecting their lives. The plea said that the implementing the danger of coronavirus is extremely serious given and the deprived population of the country, and testing is only the way to contain the pandemic. It is allegedly that the authorities are completely intensive and indifferent to the plight of common citizens who are financially burdened on account of complete lockdown across the country. Due to this, the laborers, those who are working in companies, also can't able to get a minimum groceries to day-to-day life. So in this situation, if government allows to collect the 4,500 rupees against to test, it is very difficult. So further keeping the prices, testing the facilities in the private hospital lab strikes. At the Article 14 of our Indian Constitution tells that all are equal before law, equality before everything. As being the arbitrary and the unreasonable, it is said and urged that March 17 advisory be declared as arbitrary. It said ICMR should directed to hold regular news briefing through national TV channels about current situations on coronavirus, precautions to be taken by the citizens. The plea also said that the authorities must ensure the adequate number of testing kits and centers for COVID-19 across the countries. So it is the right, the government should test coronavirus test freely in India. Why? Because in our India, there are three types of people. One belongs to rich, second one belongs to middle class, and third one belongs to below poverty line. If you compare the total population, there are middle class and below poverty line are more in our country. So it is really gets difficult to pay fees. So it is the government duty to organize and to test the corona test free. And in India, most of the people have been living below the poverty line, where we are seeing that government is supplying the rations and pearls for improving the immunity level in the people. Although there are fewer rich, they can able to bear the amount, but many of not. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you. Yes,
Hello.
I got you. Thank you. Now, Dev 43, start your argument against the motion.
So wait a second. I think so. There 43 is, has some network issues.
Sorry.
So I think so. DAP 43 has some network issues. She can't connect it.
Okay, it's fine. It's
So
fine.
just wait. Then.
Yeah, sure.
Just 2 minutes, sir, before we get this going.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fine.
We are still, the other participant is still facing connectivity issue and is unable to join the this debate competition. Yeah. So according to the policy drafted, the other participant would get a bye, and we would have to end this debate competition because the other participant is unable to connect.
Okay.
Fine. Uh,
So there 43 is not available.
43 is unable to connect, sir. We have tried calling her
Okay.
also, but her phone is also out of coverage and she is unable to connect it.
Okay. So argument cannot happen, but to Dev 10 is still available, right?
Yeah, if you want to pose any question or if you want to ask anything or
Yeah,
clarification-
I want to pose some question and point of clarification.
yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Dev 10, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the topic was whether the free testing that is conducted in India for COVID-19 is justified or not. But
Yes,
you
it is
focused.
justified,
Sorry.
sir. It is justified, sir.
Yeah, is it justified or not? That was the
Yes,
motion,
sir.
and you had to speak in favor of the motion. So no, here the motion talked about private or government labs. It was about
Okay.
free testing per se, whether it is government or private. But your sole
Okay.
focus was on private lab.
Yes.
So tell
No,
me,
no,
put
both
your
government
argument.
and private, sir.
Sorry.
No, I have spoken both sir, in private sector and also government sector, sir.
Okay, so if you will speak for government sector, or
Okay.
even if for private sector, you mentioned about right to equality, Article 14, right? So
Yes.
under right to equality, everybody's rights
Yes.
needs to be preserved, right? So if you are
Yes.
protecting the rights of migrant workers or daily wages whose incomes is very less, but at the same time you
Okay.
have to preserve the rights of the private establishment as well. So their
Yes.
sustainability and their viability is at stake as well. I mean, their the cost of the test is much more than 4,000 what they are claiming. But this
Yes.
concessional prices that is being charged, that will make their business
Yes.
unviable. And in the end, what will happen? That they will not conduct the test. And what is our motto to test, test, and test? What WHO has said, that motto will be defeated. Don't you think that?
No, sir. Sir, automatically, if voluntarily, if we keep a particular cost, labor and etc. Poor people won't come forward for testing, sir. Also, even though government is providing everything, sir, even for quarantine beds, food, etc., 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 the people are not coming outside in voluntary way.
Okay. No, I am asking you how to make the private labs sustainable, because they are finally profit making organizations. And if they don't see profit, they will not conduct that business. So if they are not getting their due, so they will not test. They will not be ready to test. In that course, what will happen? The enough number of testing will not be available in India. So at present also we are testing how much? Around 1 lakh a day. So that is pretty
Yes,
less
sir.
if you compare to United States or other countries. Why? Because
Yes, sir.
still many private labs are not testing. So there is a thing
We
there.
are not
Do you
getting
get
the
what?
enough kits from other countries, sir.
Sorry.
We are not getting enough kits from other countries, sir. Where we are importing now, sir.
So
From South Korea.
sourcing of kits is the
Yes.
only factor, or there is a issue of viability and profitability for the private sector as
There
well?
is no liability, sir. There is we have observing the clean sheet, sir. Why? Because the kits where we are importing from South Korea, sir. So there should be a manufacturing unit should be in huge amount, sir. They are providing only less, sir. They should distribute throughout the world now, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You spoke well, but I don't think I have to give you marks because the other participant is not there.
Okay.
So thank you everyone.
Okay. Good.
Now I request Ritupriya Gurtu ma'am to deliver a vote of thanks to our adjudicator.
On behalf of Department of Law, I thank the participant Guru Bhatt and I thank Vishwajit sir for coming and spending his valuable time over here. We apologize for another participant not being able to make it, but we hope in the next round when we will have you as an adjudicator, both the participants would be
Okay.
there. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was an honor to be a part of this competition. So in spite of the technical issues, I appreciate your effort in conducting this competition.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.